Welcome back to the Cheap Not Broke page. It is me, Raul. And you know, I like to smell good all the time. In order to save money, what do? I get the sample size. That's right. I don't pay for the whole bottle of cologne. I get the small one for free when I go to the mall. Why pay $74? You can get the free sample. They'll give you 5 of them. That's what I do. I get the sample size and I spray it on. Oh, the ladies love it. And that's what you should do too. Don't pay for the whole bottle of cologne. Cologne's like $74. Perfume too, ladies. It is expensive. But you know what? They always have the sample tube. Get the sample tube. There's nothing wrong with it. It smells all the same. Who cares? The bottle's big. If you really like it, get the big bottle, pay the money. But if you just want to have a little variety, you want to smell different here, smell different there, smell different everywhere, get the sample size. There's nothing wrong with it. It's small. It goes right in your pocket. You can pull it out anytime and just spray it on yourself. You can keep it in your shoe. You can keep it in your hair. You can keep it under your hat. Just like that. See that? You won't even know it. Then I just pull it out, spray it on myself, put it right back up under the hat. Very inconspicuous. Very, very, very secretive. And you're always smelling good. People go, you smell that? Yes, that is me. And I smell good. The travel sample size of cologne and perfume is the way to go. You save big bucks. You save big bucks. Now, usually you can go to a Macy's or a Sears. You got to go to a department store. You go to the cologne booth in the mall, they're usually not going to give you the sample size. But Sears, Macy's, JCPenney's, they got it for you. Get the samples. I'm trying to tell you, if you want to be cheap, not broke, and you want to keep some money, get the sample size. Now, ask for free. You say, hey, do you have any free samples? Sure we do. Because they're thinking you're going to like this stuff and want to come back and spend the money. No, I'm not. I'm going to another Sears or another JCPenney's and get some more if I like it. There's more JCPenney's than I can ever get to. So, get the sample size of cologne. Save some money. And don't be ashamed. A lot of people be like, I don't want to get the sample size. You know, that's not what I want to do. Well, that's fine. You spend all your money. Not me. I'm going to save mine. I'm going to use the sample size. This is what it is. And you get about a good 30 squirts. A good 30 squirts. Be generous with the squirts. Squirt here on the neck. And then squirt here on the chest area. Don't squirt unnecessary places. Don't squirt your feet. Wash them. If your feet stink, cologne is not going to fix that. You got to wash those funky feet. You don't want funky feet. Funky feet and cologne, funky feet and perfume don't go together. That's funky stew. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Drop a comment. What's your favorite perfume? What's your favorite cologne? I want to know. I need some new stuff. And until then, go to cheapnotbroke.com. Get a t-shirt. Support. I'm going to support you. Let me know. Got anything going on? Tell me in the comments. I want to support. I want to be supportive just like you're supportive of me. Until the next time, cheap not broke.